Nano Banana is one of the best image models ever released, and it's totally changed the AI game because you can generate images like this, or this, and they go viral over and over again. And let me show you the best examples. So I just posted this today and I already got, let me show you, around 25k views on this. I also created an image like this with Nano Banana and it got almost 30,000 views and it's still just live for the past few hours. Then I made a thread of these images and it got 2,300 likes, which is around 1 million views from a thread of Nano Banana prompts for images. I also created a crazy image like this and it got 800 likes, but the views, it got 170,000 views. So it's pretty good at grabbing attention and going viral all over and again. And the best thing is that you can use these images and turn them into videos like I did with my reel posted on Instagram and other social media and get leads and views all across your platforms. Now, before I show you how to create images like this, let me show you where you can access Nano Banana and little tricks in the end. So the first and obvious choice is through Google's Gemini. When you go to gemini.google.com, you just open a chat and here you will see this add files and here you will add your image. So let's start with that. Now you have your image, then click on tools and click here, create images. This is Nano Banana. And then just write your prompt and it will create the image. Here you can see I created from this image and this prompt, this image with frames. Simple as that. One disadvantage is that it doesn't really listen to aspect ratio asks, so you always get different sizes, but you can fix that easily in other tools. So I also use FreePic to create images with Nano Banana. You can see it's here, and you can actually choose the size of the image that you want, and you can also generate several images. You can see here. You can generate up to 4 images at once, like I did here. So all you have to do is copy the prompt. Let's say I'm gonna copy the one that I use here. I already cloned myself into FreePic, so here I just tag AI Renee and write the prompt, choose Google Nano Banana under Google Tools, and you can also add image references, style, but I always just upload the prompt, choose the trained images of me, which is here. You can see the character, and then you choose the number of images and the size, and you could just click generate. A great way to also access Nano Banana is also inside lovart.ai, where you basically just drag an image, click on it, chat with Canvas, click on the image, and then you can write a prompt, turn the sky to red. And then Lovart will generate this image right here, and when you can drag it anywhere around like you want. Another great way to access Nano Banana is inside Adobe Firefly, I heard, but I personally didn't try it. If I should conclude, well, the best choice for generating images with Nano Banana is definitely inside FreePic, because you can generate several images at once and you can then also upscale them for higher quality, because this is a normal quality, but you can upscale it for maximum quality just by clicking that. It will choose the image. You can see here, you will choose magnific model, and then you can upscale it. Now there's a watermark on every single image for now, which cannot be removed. So what do? One option is to just drag it in Canva and drag it like this, and you will remove the watermark. You can see it is now out, okay? This is not here anymore if you do this. If you want to remove it in a different way, you can also just go here and edit the image and click on magic eraser and then just mark it, click erase, and it will disappear. And you see now there's no watermark, so it's really an easy fix. Now let me show you an example of me generating the images right now. Now, to generate images like this, you either have to write the prompt yourself and enhance them with AI, or find the prompt and just copy paste them like they are inside Nano Banana. So here, for example, I'm gonna add my own image and paste the prompt that I found, and I'm not gonna read it all, just so you see. It's like something with background tall skyscraper in the middle of South Korean metropolis. It should look good. So let's test it out and hit generate, and let me show you the result. And there you have it. Suddenly I am in Korea. So this is a way to generate these kind of viral images, and I actually made a guide with 100 prompts like this that you can use, post on social media, go viral, or also turn those images into videos. So grab it in the description of this video and follow me for more AI tips, because more videos are coming soon. See ya.